All right, here's a preview of the beat that I made. Let's start off right off the back with the chords. I started with this angel dust sound from Anatu, and it's called Andromeda. Ooh. The chords are lush, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I played in the piano instead, because it just makes a lot more sense. I played this right here, A major 7, then I went to a B6, and you guys could see on the right, whatever I'm playing on red, you guys could just pause it and just do the same thing. And then I did right here. Oof, lush chords, baby. And then I added a second piano, believe it or not, on this part right here. It's just this one lower tone. So I kind of just copy and paste the same thing that I played for the higher pitch of the piano, but I just went down a lower tone for like the verses and I think pre-chorus and stuff like that. Altogether, this sounds like this. Sounds good. Hey, and then I came in with this. And honestly, all I did was from Anatu also, and I used this thing called a beautiful dread lead. All right, so then after that, I used this snare chime right here. Just love how it sounds. Hey, I need to bring out a drum kit. If you guys want a drum kit, drop it in the comments. Like, we need these drums. And then with the kick, I just always use this kick right here. I have just EQ'd it to my liking. For the hi-hats, I use one of mine for my drum kit, but at the same time, I did 2 different hi-hats. This is the first set of hi-hats. This is how it sounds. Hey. So straight through, just simple 132 notes for this one. Nothing crazy, but I did use a Pro Q3 on this one and lower down a lot of the highs because I just want kind of like that dual sound, not really that sharp sound. And I use some space D from Logic Pro. Logic Pro already comes with these stock plugins. So all I did was here just raised up the dry a lot and just raised up the wet a little bit because I don't want it to be like super reverbed or anything. Hey. Sounds good. Sounds good. I like these hi-hats. And then after that, I did this for the second part of the hi-hat. For like the choruses and stuff like this, I wanted to sound like this. Let's see. Or a. So I have 3 hi-hats here. I'll let you guys see what I did with them. This is how it sounds originally. More high-pitched. But this one I went down. A. And I added the effectrix for this one. I added a filter all the way through and reverb all the way through as well for the hi-hats on the bottom. Then the third hi-hat sounds like this. Hey, I brought out some other hi-hats just for rolls. And same thing, I added a Pro Q3 weight all the way down for this one because I don't want it to be sticking out at all. I don't want that frequency to just, surpass the other hi-hats. And I added a little bit of reverb, same thing for the other one. So just together. Hey, it's okay to bring in different hi-hats. I mean, that's gonna really give your beat the bounce that it needs. And then I added an open hat, which, for these R&B type, the open hats is just that bounce, you know what I mean? Just, hey. Now you got to be careful where you put the open hat as well, because you could easily put it like somewhere right here. Let me show you guys. See what the difference that it makes? It sounds really good right there too, but you know what? I want it right before it hits that snare. And then I ended it with this crazy sub bass right here. It's called The Sub from Wolf, and I added some overdrive. Without overdrive, it just sounds like this. And that's the whole beat for you. Hopefully you guys like this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more beat breakdowns. I would be more than happy to do these breakdowns. Also, by the way, I'm giving this beat to like other artists on my other channel, on my RnB Beats channel, which I try to make my main channel. I don't know if it's working out. So hopefully you guys can subscribe to that one, and there's gonna be some artists hopping on this beat exactly. So yeah, till next time, stay blessed and stay positive.